No, no, no. Hey.
Touch money.
No, no. Hey. No, no, no. Hey.
Touch money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Jay. Giannis is back there in the car seat. Some chicken minis because we do this. You know what I'm saying? But this is gonna be a day in a life vlog. So today we're running a whole bunch of errands right now. Well, right now we're just waiting because I
If you don't
meeting today and we arrived early, so we're just cooling it right now and then feeding Giannis his chicken minis. Ugh. So spoiled, you hear me? So spoiled. And guys, I just want to say thank you for the 10k subscribers. Man, why am I able to say that? Like, it's gonna be lit. But anyway, yes y'all, thank you for subscribing to my channel, y'all, and keeping in touch with Giannis and me and Giannis, okay? Really appreciate it, and we love making these videos for you guys. And honestly guys, so today, well right now, after the meeting, I think I need to go to Best Buy because my laptop hasn't been working. I mean, it's been working, but like when it comes to editing and stuff, it just be saying my storage is full and a whole bunch of other weirdness. So I'm gonna go see if I could get something to store my storage in so I could continue editing videos for you guys. So that's the move after we leave this place. You want to talk to them? Hold on, y'all. He want to talk to y'all. Okay, Giannis, what do you want to say to them? What do you want to say to the viewers and the subscribers? What do you want to say? Say hi. Wave at them. Say hi. Say hi. Yay! Hi! Yay! Yeah, he is tearing these chicken minis up. Look, is the bread right there? Look, now you trying to hide it. Bread right there. It's the bread right there. Enough crumbs to make a whole bread. A bread right here. What else?
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you.
Hi guys, it's me again. It's me again. Stop acting strange, guys. It's me, okay? Anyway, I know you can't tell who I am because it's lighting, but baby, it's me. Anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm lit right now because I got this sugar in my system. You feel me? What to do? Anyway, Giannis back there staring at himself. Look, he's literally like, what is happening? Y'all, so we just made it to Best Buy. And now I'm about to go see about this extra storage for my laptop. So let's go.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees.
Look at the bird. Wow, stop, don't bang on it, Look, you see the bird? Say hi, birdie. Wow, look. They're looking at you. You scared of the birdie? Come, get closer. Yeah, he keep going back to the bird. I think he wants one. to you. Trying to get to you, Papa. Yeah, that's what we need to do. Do the exercising. He's eating. Say bye-bye. Okay, brave guy. Don't touch, don't touch. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. No, no, no. No. Just supposed to look. Yeah, y'all ain't supposed to put his hand in the fish water. No, 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 no. No, sir. Go bye-bye. Let's go bye-bye.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for every time I try to resist. You get away from trees.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, bro. So guys, I just got home and look, I got it. So now I can make more YouTube videos, post them more often, and make a do bye. We are eating. Here's, yeah, I told you if you get a piece of chicken, it's up. Didn't I tell you that? Thank you. Giannis. 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 Yeah, he just stole my piece of chicken and left. So this is what we're having. He was having meatballs, broccoli, and mashed potatoes. And I was having fried chicken and fried rice. And he just took a piece of my chicken and ran. And then he's still munching on my piece of chicken. Can I have it? Thank you. Yeah, only my kid would swipe some chicken and run away. What? Thank you. Can I have it? I'm mad. Giannis, can I have the chicken? Can I have it? His little waddle is so cute. But yeah, y'all, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like this video. Comment on this video down below on my videos that y'all think that we should do. And don't forget to subscribe. We love y'all. See y'all in our next video. Bye. Say bye-bye. Give me my piece of chicken. Ah, you saw that? Okay, later.
It feel like I'm on something. Home back down to no one. They big body rolls coming.